Hi guys, I'm Amrita Puri and you're watching me on Femina.in. I start off by moisturizing my skin and hydrating it really well. I'm patting it on gently on my face and massaging in an upwards motion on my neck. Using an eye cream is a must for everybody as it helps prevent dark circles and under eye aging signs. I like to take some on my ring finger and lightly tap it under my eyes. Now let's move on to foundation, or in my case, tinted moisturizer. I'm using my hands to apply, but you can use a brush or a beauty blender if that's what you prefer. Next, I'm filling in my brows with some brow gel, and if you are somebody who has fuller brows, then you can skip this part, but I love thick brows. They define your face. Now I'm applying concealer under my eyes to hide away the signs of all those late night shoots, and blending it using a beauty blender. Blending is key. I'm also applying some on my lid as this works as a primer for eyeshadow. To set my base in place, I am going to take some translucent powder, dust off the excess, and then I'm using a little bit of the same powder to set my base. Gives it a nice matte look. Now that the brow gel has dried, I'm going back to my lashes and setting them using a spoolie. For the lips, I'm going for a pinkish nude shade to match the minimal makeup. And in the end, I just like to dab in on it for that natural look. Now to add some color to my face, my favorite. I'm applying blush all over my cheeks, nose, and my temples. I just apply mascara, but before doing that, you must curl your lashes for that dramatic volume. Don't forget to apply a coat of mascara to your lower lashes as well. That's my easy, everyday, on-the-go makeup routine that takes barely 5 minutes.